As she stood there and said goodbye, I thought I was gonna cry. Instead I shocked us both and threw up. Well, it was not a pretty sight, 'cause she was all dressed in white. But who had thought that I would throw up? It was love, love, love that broke our hearts. It was love, love, love that drove us nuts. It was love, love, love that kept us up all night. Well, she had meant the world to me. She was smart and funny and could sing. Not as if that should mean a thing. She also had a super ass, and I loved her family, especially the dad. You know, I couldn't wait to call him Dad. It was love, love, love that broke our hearts. It was love, love, love that drove us nuts. It was love, love, love that kept us up all night, all night. Well, everyone we loved was there, sitting in pews and folding chairs, anxiously awaiting the aisle. As the organ it began to pump the famous tune, ba-dump-de-dump. Well, everyone was staring down the aisle, 'cause it's love, love, love that broke our hearts. It was love, love, love that drove us nuts. It was love, love, love that kept us up all night, all night. Yeah. Who knew right then my bride-to-be would be leaving me? Well, I thought that this only happened in the movies. But isn't life just like this? A bunch of roses that smell like shh. And though we see the pricks, we still get pricked. So live life to its fullest each day, 'cause there are no rules or guarantees. Don't worry about tomorrow, don't mean don't worry about today.